Hello, Blizzcon! Welcome to the Blizzard Art Studio. Whether you're here with us at Blizzcon or at home on the virtual ticket, we're super excited to have you join us as we teach you how to draw a Murloc. For those of you on virtual ticket, now's a great time to grab a piece of paper and a pencil. You're going to need that during this session. And if you're here in our audience, you might be wondering why your pencil doesn't have an eraser, maybe even getting a little bit worried about it. Don't worry at all. It's intentional. Art is a really messy process, but I promise you, you're going to end up with something you're going to proudly take home and hang on your parents' fridge. All right, let's get started. To lead you in this quest on drawing a Murloc, we have a 3D artist from Blizzard, Jordan Powers. Take it away, Jordan.
What is up, BlizzCon? How you guys doing? All right, all right. My name is Jordan, and today we are going to learn how to draw everyone's favorite monster from Warcraft, a Murloc. You guys ready? All right. Before we get going, just some drawing basics here to help us create our Murloc today. Just going to go over some things that help me when I do stuff like this. So first and foremost, we're going to draw with our arms and shoulders here, like this today. Like so, okay? We make circles and shapes. Try to use your shoulder and your elbow a little bit more. More of this, less of
Ich kann nicht
this.
aus der Spalte heraus.
Okay?
Punkt.
Something else that helps me is gripping the pencil somewhere around the middle there. Okay? Makes it easy to make some quick lines. And we do make our lines on the paper. We want to keep them light and loose. Light and loose, all right? Got it?
Light and loose.
All right, let's get started. The first step here, somewhere around the middle of our paper, we're going to draw a circle.
Kreis! Ich hasse Kreise. Mittlerweile ja.
Doesn't have to be perfect. Something that resembles a circle.
Turns out drawing a circle is actually hard.
Nice and loose, nice and light. All right, now the next step is we're going to add in some construction lines. Now construction lines are basically lines to help us place the larger shapes on the face of our Murloc. So to do that, what we're going to do is put in a nice curved vertical line like so. And then we're going to do a curved horizontal line like so.
Schon wieder.
Ja, wieder mal.
Kreis und Kreuz.
And if you imagine that this circle that we drew is sort of like a
Das ist jetzt
basketball
meine
sort of
Haftding.
curve,
Was?
these lines are just helping
Nichts.
to define the curve of that shape. All right, so the next step is we're going to block out where the eyes of our Murloc go. So to do that, we're going to do sort of like a nice big circle shape up here. And sort of an oval shape on the other side. And it's okay if your circle and your oval sort of peek out a little bit further from that initial circle that we drew. It's just going to give your Murloc those big, buggy eyes that they have. Make them look a little more silly. And I like my Murlocs a little silly. So.
Adds character.
It does. It adds some character to your Murloc. So after you have that circle and that oval shape in there, the next step is we're going to start blocking out the body shape. To do that, we're just going to sort of follow this curve of the bottom part of the circle all the way down like that. And then on top, we're going to do the same. Just carry it down like so. Almost making sort of like a sock shape or a tadpole shape out of our Murloc right here. How we doing? Doing okay? Good. Awesome. Okay.
Looking good.
So the next step is we're going to sort of block in the mouth shape of our Murloc. And to do that, we're going to sort of aim right here, right below that intersection of our construction lines. And we're we're just going to make a little mountain shape, like so. And then we're going to curve it up, just like that. And then on the left side, what we're going to do is curve it up also. Just like that.
We've got some Murlocs drawing Murlocs out here.
Oh, that's meta. That's awesome.
Super meta.
Now to connect the eyeball here to our upper lip of our Murloc, we're just going to put a little curved shape like so, right there.
Money.
And for the other side of our mouth, what we're going to do is just sort of make a little rainbow shape and carry this line all the way down. Like so. Now that we have the top lip of our Murloc established, we're going to start drawing the mouth part, the bottom lip. So to do that, what I like to do is just sort of make curved little shapes like that. Underneath that little mountain shape that we made. And then we're going to put another curved shape right there, connected. And if you look at it, it kind of looks like an upside down shark fin. That's what you're trying to aim for right there.
Kommt jetzt eine Schlange oder was?
Again, doesn't have to be perfect. It'll give your Murloc some character. And next we're going to start blocking in the teeth and the tongue of our Murloc. So teeth first, very simple, just like a little W shape right here. Like so. And then on the bottom part of our mouth right here, we're just going to put a little curved shape right there just to indicate that there is a tongue in his mouth. Right there. Alright, how we doing? Doing okay?
Looking awesome.
No.
You saw a Murloc with a hat on.
Oh. Getting fancy.
Very fancy.
Alright, so now we're going to start blocking in some more of the details on our Murloc's face. So going back to the eyeballs that we drew earlier, to add the pupils in, we're just going to put almost like a pill shape on them. Like so. And again, these don't have to be facing forward. They can be pointing out in two different directions. I like my Murlocs a little bit silly looking, so I'm going to make mine looking in two different directions. Almost like a pug, kind of. Give it some character. And once you have those blocked in, we're going to block in the nostrils. And the nostrils are just sort of two little arrows that come together right here. Almost like they're pointing towards that curved construction line that we drew earlier. And now for the eye details, what I like to do is just put sort of like a little rainbow shape down here.
See? Murloc drawing Murloc. Heroes.
Little curved shape down here. A little curved shape right there on that eyeball, on the other that we drew. And then for the top of the eyes, we're going to do a rainbow shape. Something like this. Around both of the eyeballs that we drew. Okay, how we doing? Are we doing okay? no Murloc would really be complete without those sort of like spiny fish things that come out of the back. So that's what we're going to do next. So I'm going to draw 4 of them. They're going to be kind of squiggly, noodly shapes. And they're going to get progressively smaller as we go down the back of the Murloc. So to start, sort of draw like a little V shape right here at the top. In between our 2 rainbow shapes that we just drew. A little V shape right there. The mold face. And then out of that, we're going to draw this noodly shape. Like so, something like that. And then behind it, we'll do another one.
Another one. Another one.
And then now we're going to get a little bit smaller for the 3rd one. And then the 4th one, down the back, is going to be the smallest. Alright. So now that we got the basic shapes sort of blocked out for our Murloc, we're going to go in and we're going to start locking in our lines. And to do that, all you're going to do is just press a little bit harder with your pencil to make your lines a little bit darker. So I like to start up here at the top of the head, those little eyebrow shapes. Go darken those in. Darken in those big, buggy eyes.
Very creepy.
Lock in those lines right there. Start locking that mouth shape. With that mountain that we drew earlier. Lock in that little curl on the edge of the mouth. And the line that goes all the way down. And I'll start locking in the bottom of the face. And again, just carrying that line all the way down to the bottom right there. Start locking those lines with the other eyeball. And the shape above the eyeball right there, that little rainbow shape. And now we can start locking in the noodly bits up top.
Komplizierter da jetzt auch.
Noodly bits.
Wohl Kackermilchfalle ist.
Yes.
Like, das
Start going in around
But
here,
it's Murloc.
locking those shapes in. Got that first one locked in. Move on to the second one. Lock these guys in. And again, these things don't have to be perfect. It's just going to add some character to your Murloc. All Murlocs are a little bit different. Lock in that 3rd shape. 3rd little noodly bit. And the 4th one. And then I'll just carry this line down all the way down to the bottom. Lock that guy in. Now, for the finishing touches. What I like to do for eyeballs like this on a creature like a Murloc is to sort of hint at some shine on those big eyes that he has. So at the top right of each of these pill shapes that we drew for the pupils, I'm just going to add a little circle, like so.
Oh no, Fresse.
And then another
Creepy.
little circle on the other eyeball. shade in everything else but those circles. Something like this. And for the other eyeball, shade that guy in. And then we're going to shade in the mouth. Being careful not to shade in over top of our teeth or our tongue that we've blocked out. And there you have it.
Yes,
All right, all right. Like any great masterpiece, it always ends with an autograph. So sign your name on those, and then let's hold them up. Let's see them. Jordan and I want to see.
Awesome.
Oh my gosh. I love.
okay.
I love
Bei manchen ist es
the
wieder voll der
difference in the
Unfall.
noodly bits.
I love the new
It's awesome.
Yes.
Hey, while those are up, what sound does a Murloc make? Nice. I love it. All right. Well, thank you so much. Please be sure